One of the challenges of many investors or young investors is that they actually don't want to move from their place of convenience to a bank or a broker just to invest, or maybe make inquiries in order to invest. And in today's video, I want us to look at two apps where you'll be able to sit at your place of convenience. I want us to look at two apps where you'll be able to sit at your convenience with just some few clicks. You'll be able to invest in mutual fund, you'll be able to invest in treasury bill, you'll be able to invest in fixed deposit and many others. But specifically, I'll be focusing on mutual fund and also treasury bill, because I've promised on my previous video that I'll be making a video on how to invest in mutual fund with some mobile apps. So without further ado, I want us to look at these two apps. The first app I'll be talking about is IC Wealth, and IC Wealth is powered by IC Liquidity, where they are a broker in the Ghana Stock Exchange market over the years, and they've consistently been in the stock exchange game and also for some financial services when it comes to investment. So with them, they have an option for stock investment, they have an option for mutual fund, and also they have an option for treasury bill investment, and also an option for the fixed deposit. As times goes on, I'm sure they'll be able to add foreign investment for stocks. But today's video, we are specifically going to tackle mutual fund. Alright, so the first thing first that you need in order to be able to invest in these investment vehicles that I've mentioned is for you to have the app. So first thing is for you to go into your app store or your play store and download this app, IC Wealth. That's the first app. So when you type IC Wealth, you'll be able to see it. It has a white logo with IC written on it. So once you see that, you download it. So when you are done downloading the app, let's move straight into it. So first thing is for you to open the app, and when you open in the interface, you see register and also login. As a first time user, what you need to do is to register, because you are now coming in as a first time user. But if you are a returning user like myself, all I need to do is to log in. So if you are a first time user, you simply register and also go through with your personal details, and they will verify you in order to become a returning user when you are coming into the app. So as a returning user, the first thing I'll be doing is to log in with my details, with my email and also my password, or my phone number and my password, but I would prefer to use my email and password. So with this, I'll just already have my Face ID, so I will log in with my Face ID. And when it comes with the interface, you see total holdings, my name, and we have two options. We have a trade life portfolio, and also we have IC Liquidity Fund, and also we have IC Liquidity Fund. Our focus will be on the IC Liquidity Fund, so we click on IC Liquidity Fund. So with that, you see IC Liquidity Fund, tap on it. So when it's open, you realize that our mutual fund, it has an annual return of 19.54% annual return, and also the year to date return is 6.42. So far this year, this is the rate or the returns the mutual fund has been able to make in this year. So what you need to do is, if you want to invest in mutual fund, I've already spoken about mutual fund. If you want to know much about mutual fund, click on this link to check the video I've made on mutual fund, the benefits on mutual funds, and also the returns on mutual fund, and the advantages and disadvantages of investing in mutual fund. Let's get back right into our video. So first thing is for us to add funds. So you click on add funds, and when you click on add funds, you realize that we have IC Liquidity Fund, and also you can create more funds for yourself if you want to actually invest in it. So the first fund is IC Liquidity, where that is our focus. So portfolio IC Liquidity, they stated payment type. So payment type, I prefer using mobile money, so I'll click on mobile money, and they ask investment amount. So with regards to the mutual fund, any amount of money from 10 Ghana cedis, you'll be able to invest in your mutual fund regardless of any amount. So if you are a hustler on any day, anytime, you can just simply add any amount of money to your seed capital or the seed money that you are investing in the mutual fund. So let's take it like we are investing 100 Ghana cedis for the sake of some other people. So 100 Ghana cedis, and they ask automatically invest this amount of money. So if you automatically want to invest, let's say you are someone who is yielding 1,000 Ghana cedis and you want to commit 500 or 200 or 100 Ghana cedis in your mutual fund every week or daily or monthly, or let's say if you just want to do it one time, they are asking for it. So if you want to do it daily, automatically it will be deducted from your money. But with regards to this, we are doing it one time since it's just for illustration sake. So we click on one time, and also they ask for the phone number. Already when you are done with your verification, your phone number will be embedded in the system. So mine is this number, so I'll be using this number. So the next thing for you to do is to submit. So once you submit, they are saying payment made by MTN will be invested in 2 working days. Sometimes it comes before the 2 working days, so I can click on OK. So once I click on OK, I saying processing. So as you can see, they've come and they've given me a prompt. So all I have to do is for me to write my password. So when I'm done with my password, automatically I will input my mobile money pin and it will be invested automatically. Alright, so the second one I want us to look at is how to invest in treasury bill using the IC liquidity app or IC Wolf. So the second one, when you come back to your interface, you see trade live portfolio. So you click on trade live portfolio. So once you click on trade live portfolio, make sure you open the trade live, and when it comes, it's loading. And when it comes, you simply click as if you are coming to buy a stock, and when it comes, it will redirect you to their main website. So when it comes with this, you see fixed income. So you click on fixed income. So once you click on fixed income, we have the 91-day treasury bill. We also have the 182 days treasury bill. We also have the 364 days treasury bill. So let's assume that you want to buy the 91 days treasury bill. All you have to do is to click on buy, and it will bring you to the treasury bill, the amount of money you want to buy. So with this, I think the minimum amount of money you need to buy is you need to buy a treasury bill will be 1,000 Ghana cedis with IC liquidity fund. So but for the meantime, let me try with 100 cedis and let's see. So as you can see, value must be greater than or equal to 1,000 Ghana. So if you want to invest in treasury bill with IC liquidity, you need to hold not less than 1,000 Ghana cedis in your account. So all you have to do is to also click on add funds, and once it comes, you click on IC liquidity fund, as in IC liquidity fund. So when it comes, you deposit the amount of money. So they are saying not less than 1,000 Ghana cedis. So you click on the amount and input 1,000 Ghana cedis. The payment method will come, you click on mobile money, and it moves on. So let's say if you are using 1,000 Ghana cedis, they are saying total charges will be 0.00 Ghana cedis, and also the total amount to be paid. So once you want to proceed, you click on submit, and it will come automatically. You'll be able to add the amount of money that you intend to invest in. So that is it for IC liquidity. So the second app I'll be talking about is Plus Invest, where they are also powered by Investment Capital, where they are asset managers in the financial market. So Plus Invest, they also comes with investment with mutual fund, where the IC liquidity fund that we just talked is embedded in the Plus Invest. They also have data bank mutual fund. If you actually don't know much about mutual fund, then you need to go back and watch my previous video on mutual fund to have great or to appreciate greatly on mutual fund. with all this, you'll be able to understand the type of mutual funds that we have. So they also have the data bank M fund embedded in it. You simply open your Play Store or your App Store and download the Plus Invest app. So once you download the Plus, it comes with the red icon and also P on it as a logo. So let's open it. So once it open, you see a portion where they are asking for you to register. So if you are a new user, you need to register. If you are a returning user like myself, all we have to do is to input our account details. So my email here, and also my password here. So once that is done, I log in simply. So once the app is open, let's click on invest. And invest, you realize that you have treasury bills. This one is so simple. Treasury bills. We also have IC liquidity fund. We also have data bank M fund 2. With data bank, they have M fund 1 and M fund 2. Data bank M fund 2. And with this, you can see their year-to-date returns. So currently, the IC liquidity fund is doing more than the M fund 2, which comes with a year-to-date return of 6.23%, and also with M fund, but almost the same with 6.14%. So once these are the mutual funds, the two mutual funds, and also treasury, they also have an option, a new option, where you'll be able to buy international stocks like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Apple, like Nvidia, and many other international stocks. But for the sake of this video, our focus is on local investments. So with the local investment, if we are coming to invest in mutual fund, what you have to do is to simply make a research and know as to whether you want to invest in IC liquidity or you want to invest in data bank. So let's say for the mutual fund, I want to invest in IC liquidity. So they are saying the minimum amount of money for me to invest in this is 10 Ghana cedis, and the reflection will be on 1 to 2 days, just like the IC Wolf. So I'll click on invest, and when it comes, they are telling me to choose my portfolio. Oh, the network is bad. So when it comes, I've already have my portfolio origin. I'll click on it, and they are asking the amount of money. I want to illustrate for you to understand that the 10 Ghana cedis is really true. You can invest with 10 Ghana cedis. So you actually input 10, and all you have to do is to click next. So when it comes, the payment option comes, and you tap on it. They are saying the charges will be 0.2 pesos plus fee, and you click on complete. So once it comes, you realize that they also give you an option for you to input your account's details and confirm your transaction. So with this, simply you'll be able to invest in the mutual fund. So once it comes, the authorizing payment, and that is done. You see investment successful. So investment successful. So we click on done. So when that is done, let's quickly move to treasury bill. So treasury bill, the minimum investment with Capital Plus. So with treasury bill, the minimum investment for Plus Invest is 500 Ghana cedis, unlike IC Wolf where the minimum investment is 1000 Ghana cedis. So with Plus app, the minimum investment is 500 Ghana cedis. So with 500 Ghana cedis, you'll be able to invest in any of the three treasury bill date, the 91, 182, or the 364 days treasury bill. So with this, all you have to do is just to follow the procedure like I stated in the other app, and you'll be able to buy your treasury bill with Capital Invest. So these are the two great apps that you'll be able to use to invest in mutual fund, to invest in treasury bills, and also fixed deposit. I've already made a video on how to invest in stock with these apps, especially with the IC Wolf. If you want to find it, check in the bio. You'll be able to get a link to how to invest in Ghana Stock Exchange market with the IC Wolf app. I want to tell you that if you want to start investment, you need to stop procrastination and start bit by bit, and as days and time go by, you'll be able to become a great investor with just little commitment. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.